Think about this for a second. Aroa, when you get out of bed in the morning and put your feet on the floor, do your legs feel oddly weak, shaky, or tingly? Are stairs not as easy as they used to be? Do you sometimes wake up in the middle of the night because of a sudden cramp in your calf? If you're nodding along thinking, yes, that's exactly what happens to me, this video is for you. Most people brush this weakness off as just part of getting older. But here's the truth. Yow! Leg weakness isn't something you simply have to accept. Very often, the root cause is hiding in one small thing: your breakfast. While you sleep, your body never actually rests. Your heart keeps beating, you keep breathing, and thousands of chemical processes keep running in the background. All of this needs energy, and if no food is coming in, the body starts pulling that energy from your own muscles, especially the large muscles in your legs, since they're some of the hardest working muscles in your body. This process runs all night, and if your body doesn't get proper nutrition the moment you wake up, that same breakdown cycle keeps going through the day. This is the quiet, invisible damage that, over years, leaves legs weaker than they should be. Here's the good news. This cycle isn't hard to stop. Just 5 simple, affordable, and easy-to-find foods added to your morning routine can stop this damage and actually help rebuild leg strength. Stay until the end, because we'll also share 5 small daily habits that double the effect of these foods. Let's start with eggs. Eggs are a complete protein, meaning they contain all the amino acids your body needs but can't make on its own. These amino acids are the building blocks of muscle repair. Remember, in the morning, your body is in a light, fasting state. If you take in protein right at that moment, your body flips almost instantly from breaking muscle down to building it back up. Eggs don't just give you protein. They also provide vitamin D and choline, both essential for nerve function and muscle coordination. People whose nerves and muscles communicate well with each other tend to have a steadier, more confident walk, and a lower risk of falling. The approach is simple. Boil 2 to 3 eggs or lightly pan-fry them in a little olive oil and eat them within the first hour of waking up. If cholesterol is a concern, check with your doctor about the right amount for you. But for most healthy older adults, 2 eggs a day is perfectly safe. Next up is oats, with a small but powerful twist. Oats digest slowly, which means your body gets a steady supply of energy through the morning instead of having to keep breaking down muscle protein for quick glucose. Oats are also rich in fiber, which keeps blood sugar stable, and stable blood sugar is directly linked to muscle strength because constant sugar spikes and crashes leave muscles feeling tired and weak. Now add a spoonful of chia seeds, and this simple bowl becomes a real powerhouse. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation in the body. And it's exactly this quiet, low-grade inflammation that slowly wears muscles down over the years. Chia seeds also provide calcium and magnesium, both essential for muscles to contract and then properly relax. Cook a bowl of oats in milk or water, top it with chia seeds, a pinch of cinnamon, and some fruit if you like. Light on the stomach, but it powers you through the whole morning. Bananas might sound too ordinary to matter, but most people underestimate what they actually do. Bananas are rich in potassium, and potassium is the mineral responsible for maintaining the electrical balance inside and outside your muscle cells. When that balance is thrown off, nighttime calf cramps or strange leg twitching become common, especially in people taking diuretic medications or those whose bodies don't absorb minerals as efficiently. Bananas also contain vitamin B6, which supports the nerve signals traveling between your brain and your legs, improving balance and coordination while you move. One important note: if you're managing blood sugar issues or kidney concerns, choose a slightly underripe, still a bit green, banana instead of a fully ripe one, bao. It has less sugar and more resistant starch, which digests more slowly. Never eat a banana on a completely empty stomach. Pair it with yogurt or oats for a better effect. Now let's talk about yogurt, specifically Greek yogurt. It's thicker than regular yogurt because the liquid whey is strained out, which roughly doubles the protein content. This protein digests slowly, meaning your body gets a steady supply of amino acids throughout the day. Amino acids that go directly toward repairing muscle. After 60, the body's natural muscle repair speed slows down on its own, which makes morning protein even more important. Greek yogurt also delivers calcium and vitamin D, both of which strengthen bones and nerves, supporting better balance. There's another benefit too. The good bacteria, probiotics in yogurt support healthy digestion and reduce inflammation inside the body, which directly benefits blood circulation in the legs. If you're sensitive to lactose, go for a lactose-free version or one made from goat or sheep milk. Always choose unsweetened yogurt. Added sugar can actually work against muscle recovery. Eat it within an hour of waking, topped with berries, cinnamon, or chia seeds if you like. Eating salmon, mackerel, or sardines twice a week has been shown to be genuinely effective for leg strength. These fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which improve how well your muscles respond to insulin, meaning protein gets used more efficiently for muscle building. They also reduce the quiet, hidden inflammation that silently drains leg strength over the years. Along with protein, fatty fish provide vitamin B12 and D, both of which improve nerve-to-muscle communication. The better that communication, the better your coordination and confidence while walking. Pan-sear salmon in a little olive oil and serve it with sweet potato or lightly steamed vegetables. If fresh fish isn't practical every day, smoked salmon or a good quality fish oil supplement is a reasonable substitute, though fresh fish is always the better choice. If you have trouble digesting fats or manage high cholesterol, start with smaller portions and stick to baked or steamed preparations. Last but just as important, a lightly steamed sweet potato with a small sprinkle of mineral-rich salt, such as Celtic sea salt, on top. This affordable, easy-to-make food replenishes muscle glycogen stores that were depleted overnight. It's rich in complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly, which helps prevent the morning weakness, shakiness, and cramping many people feel before they've had a chance to eat properly. The method is simple. Lightly sprinkle salt over half a warm steamed sweet potato and eat it about 10 minutes before your main breakfast, along with a glass of warm water. Practice consistently, this small habit can noticeably reduce numbness, cramping, and unsteadiness while standing or walking. Food alone isn't enough. A few small daily habits make a real difference too. These are worth noting because none of them are difficult to build into your routine. Take 3 minutes to do a simple standing leg lift. Raise one foot 2 to 4 inches off the floor, hold for 10 seconds, then switch sides. This strengthens the calves, thighs, and hips.